The very last step is basically involves the corners, and what it basically does is just rotates each corner. As you can see, each corner is basically just twisted in place. It's the right colors, they're just twisted in place, and you can have 2 or 3 or 4 corners at the end that are twisted. Okay, first things first is to rotate the entire cube until the white face is on top and the yellow face is facing down. And then just rotating the bottom layer, rotate the bottom layer freely until one corner, the first unsolved corner, is at the bottom right slot. And then going back to the old up, left, down, right sequence, do it twice and see once where that puts the yellow tile. If it puts it down here, then you are good. If it puts it right here, then you have to do it one more time. So up, left, down, right, up, left, down, and right. And as you can see, it has not quite solved it, so do it 2 more times. And there you have it. Is the yellow tile is facing down and these 2 corners match. It is in the correct spot now. Now just rotate the bottom layer again until the next unsolved corner is in the bottom right slot. Do it 2 times or 4 times until the yellow piece is facing down. And after there are no more unsolved corners, then your cube should be solved. Okay, 2 things that are very important. One thing is to keep this hand stationary. Do not rotate the cube up and around like this, else you will lose your progress or wherever you're at, and you'll have to start from square one. And another very important thing is to finish out the sequence. So make sure you do all 4 moves each time. Up, left, down, and right each time. Up, left, down, and right. It may be tempting, or you might forget to do that last right move, but that will also mess everything up. This is an example. Move the yellow face that is facing down by rotating the whole cube, and then holding an unsolved corner at the bottom right layer. Perform the up, left, down, right sequence 2 times and see what it does to the corner. Up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right. And as you can see, it hasn't quite put it into its correct orientation yet, so do it 2 more times. Up, left, down, right, up, left, down, and right. And that puts it into its correct orientation. So without moving the entire cube, just rotate this bottom layer until the next unsolved corner is in the bottom right location, and do the sequence twice and see what it does to this bottom right corner. See if it puts it into its solved orientation. Up, left, down, right, twice, up, left, down, and right. And it was only twice and it put it into its correct orientation. But we have some more unsolved corners down here, so move the next one to the bottom right corner. Do the sequence 2 more times. Up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right. After 2, it's put it into its correct orientation. Move the last unsolved corner to the bottom right spot. Do the sequence twice and see what it does to this corner. Up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right. And it hasn't quite put it into its correct orientation. It just cycled it once, where it moved the yellow piece was here and it moved it to here. And as you can see by the next one, it will move the yellow piece to here, which would be correct. Up, left, down, right, up, left, down, and last right. And then you'll usually have one more bottom layer move and you're done.